Ever wondered why airplanes fly, or how a curveball curves? It all comes down to aerodynamics, the science of how air moves around objects. Today, we're diving into the fascinating principles that govern flight and shape the world around us. At its core, aerodynamics is about pressure. Air flowing faster creates lower pressure, while slower air creates higher pressure. Think of an airplane wing. Its curved shape forces air to travel faster over the top, reducing pressure and creating lift, pushing the plane upwards. Bernoulli's principle explains this beautifully. But it's not just about curves. Drag, the force resisting motion, is also crucial. Streamlining, like the shape of a race car, minimizes drag, allowing for greater speed and efficiency. Did you know that birds use tiny feathers to control airflow, allowing for incredible maneuverability? Or that the Wright brothers meticulously studied aerodynamics to build the first successful airplane? It's a field constantly evolving. So, aerodynamics is the study of air in motion, explaining everything from flight to the design of everyday objects. Understanding pressure, lift, and drag unlocks a world of engineering marvels. If you enjoyed this quick dive, give this video a like and subscribe for more Science Explained.